PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. It was created to make sure a document looks exactly the same on every device. When you open a PDF, the layout stays fixed. The fonts, images, margins, and page breaks do not move. Because of that, PDF is widely used for contracts, manuals, reports, worksheets, and printable documents. This format is especially useful when design matters. If a page has columns, tables, illustrations, or complex formatting, PDF keeps everything exactly where it should be. But for reading books, PDF is not always the most comfortable option. PDF uses a fixed layout. On a small phone or e-reader screen, the text does not automatically adjust. You often have to zoom in and scroll left and right, which makes long reading less convenient. So PDF is reliable, universal, and great for fixed layouts, but not always the most comfortable format for reading long books. EPUB. EPUB stands for Electronic Publication Format. It is one of the most common ebook formats in the world. Unlike PDF, EPUB uses a flexible layout. The text automatically adjusts to your screen size. You can change the font, increase the text size, adjust spacing, and the book will reflow to fit your device. That is why EPUB works so well on e-readers, tablets, and phones. EPUB files are usually smaller than PDF, and they are designed specifically for digital reading, not printing. Most reading apps support EPUB. However, older Kindle devices did not support it directly, which is why other formats like MOBI and AZW became popular. So if you want a comfortable reading experience on a screen, EPUB is usually the better format. MOBI. MOBI is an older ebook format that was mainly used on early Amazon Kindle devices. It became popular because early Kindle readers did not support EPUB, so Amazon relied on MOBI as its main ebook format. Like EPUB, MOBI supports reflowable text. That means the content can adjust to your screen size, and you can change the font or text size while reading. However, MOBI is now mostly outdated. Amazon has gradually replaced it with newer formats like AZW and AZW3. And today, Kindle systems usually convert EPUB files automatically. You may still see MOBI files in older digital libraries or archived book collections, but it is no longer the standard. AZW. AZW is Amazon's proprietary ebook format used on Kindle devices. Technically, AZW is based on MOBI, but it includes additional features and stronger integration with the Amazon ecosystem. These formats support reflowable text, adjustable fonts, bookmarks, highlights, and notes. Everything you expect from a modern e-reader. One important difference is DRM. Many AZW files purchased from Amazon include digital rights management, which limits how the file can be copied or shared. That means an AZW book usually works best, and sometimes only, inside the Kindle system. So if you buy books directly from Amazon, you are most likely using AZW without even noticing it. TXT. TXT is one of the simplest text formats you can imagine. It contains plain text only. No formatting, no images, no special layout. Just letters, numbers, and line breaks. You can open a TXT file on almost any device with almost any text editor. It is extremely lightweight and universal, but because it has no formatting, it does not support things like different fonts, bold text, images, or clear chapter formatting. For reading a novel, TXT works, but it is very basic. There is no automatic table of contents, no advanced styling, and no design. Still, TXT files are sometimes used for simple ebooks, public domain texts, or drafts, so TXT is universal and minimal, but not designed specifically for modern digital reading. CBZ. CBZ is an ebook format mainly used for comics and manga. A CBZ file is basically a zip archive that contains a sequence of image files, usually JPG or PNG pages, saved in page order. When you open a CBZ file in a compatible reader, it displays the images one by one, like turning the pages of a comic book. Unlike EPUB or MOBI, CBZ does not reflow text. Each page is a fixed image, which makes it ideal for graphic content where layout and artwork are essential. Because it is simply a compressed folder of images, CBZ files are easy to create and widely supported by comic reader apps. So CBZ is not designed for traditional text-based books. It is designed for visual storytelling. FB2. FB2 stands for Fiction Book 2. It is an ebook format that became popular in Eastern Europe. FB2 uses structured text with chapters, images, and metadata like author and title. However, outside these regions, it is not widely supported compared to EPUB. Docs. DOCX is the standard format used by Microsoft Word. Technically, it is not an ebook format. It was created for editing documents, not for digital publishing. You can easily modify the text, change formatting, and edit the content. So while a docs file can contain a book, it is mainly designed for editing, not reading.